So here's something pretty exciting in the world of humanoid robots. 1X has just rolled out a major AI update for its robot Neo, and they're calling it the 1X World Model. In simple terms, this update is all about helping Neo understand the world more like we do and turn simple voice or text instructions into real physical actions, even in situations it's never seen before. At the heart of this update is a video-based AI model that's grounded in real-world physics. Instead of depending only on pre-programmed behaviors or tons of data collected by humans controlling the robot, Neo can now learn from massive amounts of video found online. The idea is that by watching how people interact with objects, the robot can take that digital knowledge and actually apply it in the physical world. This is a big deal because it tackles one of the biggest challenges in humanoid robotics: getting smart software to translate into reliable, real-world movement. By learning from video, Neo can generalize what it knows and adapt to new environments and tasks, rather than needing everything carefully defined in advance. According to 1X, this is a key step toward robots that can keep teaching themselves instead of waiting for engineers to give them new skills one by one. Using the 1X world model is pretty straightforward. You give Neo a short instruction, either by speaking to it or typing it out. The robot then looks around using its cameras, predicts what actions should happen next, and turns those predictions into precise movements using its internal motion models. It's essentially thinking ahead visually before it moves. In a recent demo video, you can see Neo handling everyday tasks like packing a lunchbox. What's impressive is that even when the objects aren't exactly the same as what it's seen before, the robot can still figure things out and complete the task smoothly without getting confused. Even more impressive is how Neo handles entirely new actions without specific training examples. In the demo, it opens a sliding door, operates a toilet seat, irons clothes, and even brushes a person's hair. According to the company, this shows how broad human knowledge captured in video can be transferred into real robotic behavior. This update also changes how Neo improves over time. Traditionally, humanoid robots rely heavily on data gathered by human operators, which is slow, expensive, and hard to scale. With the 1X world model, Neo can collect its own data as it interacts with the world, creating a self-reinforcing learning loop where it keeps getting better through experience. Another interesting point is that Neo benefits as video AI improves in general. Since its world model is built around understanding video, any advances in video-based AI can directly lead to better robotic capabilities, without redesigning everything from scratch. Robustness is also a big focus here. Homes are messy and unpredictable, with changing lighting, clutter everywhere, and people constantly moving around. 1X says the world model helps Neo stay stable and adaptable in these conditions, allowing it to generate reliable actions even when the environment changes quickly. If you're wondering about availability, Neo is currently listed on 1X's online store. Early access is priced at $20,000, with priority delivery planned for 2026, and there's also a $499 per month subscription option. It's still early days, but updates like this point to a future where humanoid robots don't just follow instructions like machines, but learn and adapt more like people.